Hello, are you looking for a three bedroom, two full bath, single storied home? Then this is the right choice. Welcome to the charming property tour of 1814 Pecan Grove Drive, Carrollton, Texas 75007. The house features a classic brick facade with a welcoming front porch perfect for relaxing. The lush green lawn is well maintained and a beautifully landscaped garden frames the entrance. This property is in Denton County and the subdivision is Homestead at Carrollton Phase 1. A perfect place for a great family. As you enter, you can feel the openness and quality with a formal dining room. The walls are painted a soft neutral color and the vinyl floors add a touch of elegance. The living room features a cozy fireplace. You are greeted by an open, airy space with high ceiling and large windows that let in plenty of natural light. Feel the space, a perfect blend of the living room and the kitchen. Moving into the kitchen side, you can see the dinette area and all the basic appliances. A spacious kitchen perfect for a chef. Spacious storage space adds value to the place. Now let's head to the master bedroom. This serene retreat features ample space for a king-sized bed. Large windows offer a view of the backyard. The ensuite, well lighted bathroom includes a double vanity and a soaking tub and a separate shower, adds value to the home. See the spacious walk in closet, which gives a lot of storage. As mentioned, this is a single storied house with 1900 square feet with a lot area of 0.180. Next, we'll explore the additional bedrooms. See the second full bathroom. Each room is generously sized with built-in closets, large windows, ensuring plenty of light. These rooms are perfect for family, guests, or even a home office. As you can see, all the three bedrooms are easily accessible to the living room without disturbing the privacy. You can see only vinyl wood flooring and tiling in this house. Now let's step outside to the backyard. The fenced yard offers a spacious area for activities, features a well maintained lawn with a fruit tree. Last but not least, see the utility room close to the kitchen and the garage with two car park. Thank you for joining us on this property tour of this lovely home. We hope you enjoyed exploring its many features, and imagine yourself living here. For more information or to schedule a visit, please contact John's Realty 469 686 1811. 469 686 1811. Thank you.